Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Natzel. Happy Monday on another week of our e-learning. And we're going to do another fun story this week. Last week we did the emoji stories, and I loved reading everybody's emoji stories. You guys did such a phenomenal job on the emoji stories. And so we're going to do another story this week, but we're working on the skill of sequencing. So when we sequence, we put things in order. So just like when you get up in the morning, you have an order or a sequence in the way that you do things, okay? First you wake up and then you get out of bed. You don't get out of bed and then wake up. Okay, so there's an order in which you do things. And so we're going to get creative, and you're going to be given a picture and you're going to have to write a story using sequential order about the picture. And so we will give you this assignment today on Monday, and it will be due on Wednesday. So you can work on it a little bit each day if you would like. So I'm going to kind of show you guys what we would like for you to do. And this is my picture that I'm going to be using. So if you can see, I have a picture here of a dog and there's a ball. So I'm going to think of maybe what happened before this picture, okay? So when we're using sequential order, we might use the word first. So I'm going to say first, the dog's owner made a motion like she was going to throw the ball. Next, she threw the ball, and then the dog went running after the ball. Finally, the dog caught the ball and brought the ball back to her owner. Okay, so I want you to pay very close attention to this word right here. I'm going to highlight it. First, next, and then I'm going to actually change this, and I'm going to say then. And after you use your words for your sequencing, you want to put a comma after them. So you wrote first, comma, the dog's owner made a motion like she was going to throw the ball. Next, comma, she threw the ball. Then, comma, the dog went running after the ball. Finally, comma, the dog caught the ball and brought the ball back to her owner. Okay, so you're just looking at this picture and you're thinking, what happened before this picture? What happened? What's happening in the picture? You're seeing that the ball is in the air and the dog's running after that ball, or the dog's eyes are at least set on that ball, so you think the dog's going to catch that ball. And then what's going to happen after the picture? So that's your finally. So your first is what's happening before the ball. Even your next is what's happening before the ball. And then your then is what's happening right now. And then your finally is what's happening after the picture is over, or what you predict is going to happen afterwards. Okay, so that's what we're going to work on this week. If you want to write it in paragraph form, you can, or you can just write it like this, where you write each sentence, and you could write a sentence a day if you want, and then that way it will help you to figure out what's going on. Okay, So good luck. I know you guys are going to do a great job. I can't wait to see what you have to say about the pictures. Your picture will be different than this one. And so we will be posting that with this video. So I want you to watch the video first so you see what you have to do, and then you'll get to see your picture, and your picture will be different. It will not be with a dog. Okay? So have a great day, guys. We miss you so much, and I can't wait to read all of your sequencing stories. Okay, talk to you later. Bye bye.